I see you, I feel you. Let's learn how to play My Heart Will Go On by Celine Dion. You only need 4 chords for this, and that's C, G, F, and then an A minor, which we will use in the chorus. I'm giving each chord 2 beats, so I'm counting 1 and 2 and then 1 and 2 and. You can do this 2 ways. You can do it by strumming it or picking it. I'm going to show you both, and then you choose the one that feels more natural and more fun for you. The strumming would just be a down, 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 up, and then next chord. Down, 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 up, down, 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 up. And then those chords that last a little bit less, you'll just do down, down, up, and then switch down, down. So that whole first line, if we're strumming, let's try it. 1, 2, ready, strum it, ready, go. Down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, down, up. And if you're not sure what to strum or if you forget it, it's always going to be on the screen for you so that you can just look back up. But for my Patreon fam, I have created a printable that has the strumming pattern, the singing note, and the chord charts and everything. So Patreon fam, go ahead and get your printable. It's already on your spreadsheet with all the other songs. If you're gonna pick it, finger picking, assign 1 finger per string, like this, with a thumb on G. And we're gonna pick on strings G, E, A first, and then C. 1 and 2, and then the next chord. 1 and 2, and next chord. 1 and 2, and for those short chords, you're gonna do 1 and 2 and. So at this point, I would love for you to choose whether you're gonna strum it or pick it, and then just continue doing that pattern that you enjoyed the most. So for the next line of the verse, we have C, G, F, back to G. Let's try that. 1, 2, ready, go. That is how I know you go home. Okay, so let's put those 2 lines of the verse together. You can strum it or pick it. Here we go. 1 and 2 and ready, beginning, go. Every night in my dreams, I see you, I feel you. That is how I know you go home. The next 2 lines of the verse follow the exact same chord pattern. The only thing that changes is the lyrics, but it's the same pattern. So let's try the next 2 lines. 1, 2, ready, go. Far across the distance and spaces between us, you have come to show you go home. That time I strummed it just in case somebody's strumming or somebody else is picking, but I continued to show you both styles. So that concludes the verse. So now let's go over to the chorus. The chorus is easier to remember, in my opinion, because you do A minor G, F, G. And just do that 4 times, and that's your chorus. So for the people who are strumming, it'll sound like this. Down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. And just repeat it. A minor, G, F, G. And we would just do that 4 times. I'm going to do it the picking style next, and I'm going to add the lyrics. Here we go. Get ready. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. If I, wherever you are, I believe that the heart does go home. Once more, you open the door, and you're here in my heart, and my heart will go. Little difference to close the chorus. We have a shorter lasting C, G, and then back to that A minor situation that you've already done. So there's that little bit of a variation, but the rest is the same. So let's try a playthrough of the chorus. This time I'm going to strum it. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. If I, wherever you are, I believe that the heart does go. Once more, you open the door, and you're here in my heart, and my heart move fast. Go on and then here we would just go to another verse and continue the song. So now you've learned everything that you need to be able to play this lovely song. If you'd like the chord sheet with the singing note and the strumming pattern, picking pattern, chord sheets, everything, it's already on my Patreon page. And if you like this tutorial, please give this a thumbs up and subscribe. Come back for another one. I'll be here. I'll be happy to be your teacher. See you in the next one. Oh, by the way, I was playing the Pepe Romero Tiny Tenor. I do sell these on my music shop. So that's another way you can support the channel and get an amazing ukulele. So I think I have mahogany ones in stock right now. So let's have a really nice warm sound. I'll link them down below. Again, thank you for hanging out here with me, and I'll see you soon.